Hi guys, welcome to Sharvasing channel. Today I am going to explain about 5 stocks: Tata Steel, PVR Cinemas, Tata Motors, HDFC Bank, Ultratech Cement. So these stocks I am finding out a good breakout that happened today, so that I am selecting these stocks. So watch it till the end. You can get the good idea about the technical analysis of these 5 stocks. Let's go directly to the video now. So disclaimer: I am not a SEBI registered person. This video is only for education purpose, not for calls and tips. If you are a new person, please subscribe and support to me and press the like button if you really like this video. Let's go directly to the video now. So Tata Motors I'm taking here. Today Tata Motors giving initially performance was good, but it has been touched this resistance line. After that it has been fall down chance. It has been fall down happened because of I don't know. Maybe you can. This is not a right time to entry at Tata Motors, but even though I'm suggested to you all, the Tata Motors making a good information recently. They are making a 4,000 EV cars, so that in future the Tata Motors will be going to be boom. So that this is the right time to we have been purchase the stock at Tata Motors at depth level. My suggestion is 290 is the right price, and this is also right price, but you can depth level. If you want to buy the stock at 290 is good buy price, you can buy and accumulate. After that the stock may be chance to go up to this resistance line breakout, continuously go to the rally. So in future if you want to buy this Tata Motors for long term, you can use it, but this is not a right entry time for buying opportunity. So this is a selling opportunity. So maybe tomorrow it will take a reversal, or this stock will be go up to 290. So right time to buy entry is 290 Tata Motors. Now see that Tata Steel. So Tata Steel also same method. It is traveling in a some buying pressure zone. So Tata Motors now closed at 1167. I think this is right time to do the swing trade. So if you want to buy at tomorrow, you can buy tomorrow. Then you can exit at 1246 is the swing trading. But my suggestion is this is a long term stock. You can long term or short term stock. If further it will be breakout after this entry, then you can enter. This is a strong entry point 1246. After this breakout it will be go to the rally up to 1469. So I think Tata Steel is good to buy stock now. So you can add it to your portfolio and watch it continuously and do the best trade for your good luck. Next PVR. So see guys, the PVR happen cup and handle pattern. My suggestion is the right time entry point is this level. So until that wait it. Now malls and cinema theaters everything is open, so that this is right time to enter at PVR cinemas. So now breakout also happen. So it may chance to go up this level 1469. It's the right entry point. After that it will go to my target. Our target is 1587. So if you want to do the swing trading, you can use it. The stock for 1587 is the target. After breakout it may go to 1700. So you can do this swing trade. Ultratech Cement. See guys, Ultratech Cement is forming like a ascending triangle pattern. So today is good volume has been traded, but my right entry point is here 7066 7080. So that is the right entry point. So now trading closer at 6933. So this stock may go to upper position. So after breakout you can enter, otherwise don't enter, because this breakout happen, after that it will go up to maybe 8,000 above. So it is a long term stock, so you can use it for a long term purpose, not for a swing trading, not for a intraday. So long term target level is 8639, so you can add it to your portfolio and watch it continuously, do the best trade. Then now HDFC Bank. See guys, HDFC Bank today has been breakout given at this point of level. So breakout happened today. 1534 is the closing price. Now this stock will be go up to 1573. After that, continuously if you break this resistance, it may go to 1634. So HDFC Bank nowadays doing a good performance. So that only today Nifty is stable at one place, finally but dropped, but initially up to 2 o'clock the HDFC Bank given the good support for Nifty, so that Nifty has been raised today. So main reason is HDFC Bank. So tomorrow also HDFC Bank may chance to go up to 1573. So I think this stock will be go to 1634, the target price up for a short term purpose, not for a swing trading, not for a long term. You can use it long term, short term swing trading, not for intraday. So that's all guys, this video will be useful for you, and if you not understand in English, you can use it. Our Tamil version also available. Telegram is available. You can join it Telegram group. We are updating every data in during the market hours also. So, and if you want to open an abstract account, demand account, you can use this link. I will give the description box. You can use it. If any doubt, you can contact me through mail. I will reply it. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and support to me. Thanks for watching. Lot.